Trey Young's Audi R8 in the shop.
Or something like that. It was.
It's here. And it surprised me. Y'all know it.
So this was Trey Young's first supercar, and it used to be black.
Now it's back. It has a different owner. Nick now owns this car, and he has brought it in for some titanium exhaust goodies to open up this V10 and let it roar. And Trey, if you see this video, who tuned this car? I know it's tuned because it has the rev limiters increased, but we don't know who tuned it. We've called probably 6 different tuners that we know that do the Audi platform, and no luck. So if you see this, comment on it, let us know who tuned it. Catback titanium. This is built by Rev Auto Works out of New York. They're a fresh company, but it looks pretty cool. What I do like, the ends are adjustable with this ball. Some on this generation, some of the exhausts that we've installed have just been like solid, so you only have this pivot point and it doesn't line up with the diffuser. So I'm pretty intrigued to play with that and get the alignment all correct, and then we'll see how she sounds. Titanium usually has that like higher frequency, so yeah, that should be pretty sick.
We'll get some before and after clips. Right now it's the stock exhaust.
Revs, everybody likes revs, and it's already tuned, so we don't have this stupid 3,000 RPM crap.
All the carbon. This is the same car they filled with popcorn. Have you seen that?
No.
Yeah, so I guess as soon as he got into the NBA, at whatever practice, like before the first game, they filled the interior full of popcorn.
Really?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. That's popcorn on the ground. I guess the rookies got popcorn. Yo, I have no idea. Oh my goodness. Yo, that's crazy. Trey. Trey.
All right then. So new owner, you know, he's debating on, does he go back to the way it was? Does he change the color? Do we lower it some more? You know, maybe put it on air. Like, talked about a few things, but first and foremost, got to make it louder.
Yep. What's step one?
Get it up in the air and pull the 200 screws off.
The bumper is off, and so is the stock exhaust. That thing is massive.
Yeah, and if it looks like I struggled with it, it's because it's huge and 80 pounds. And I think that's 6. Now that that's tore apart, we can start fitting the new titanium exhaust. Then it's just reassembly. Bunch of nuts and bolts and screws and stick it back together.
Crazy. I say we just leave it like this.
Just rock it open back in with titanium pipes.
Yeah. We'll go something like that.
Yeah, ish.
It looks so good.
Bolt up there and there. I like these. So a lot of the other ones just use the clamp and then I want to say this side, and that was it. I don't recall it having a top one on some of the other exhausts we've done.
So we have the new titanium exhaust on now. Just kind of briefly fit it up. It looks amazing. Looks sick.
Yeah, I think it's gonna look good. This is just mock-up, so these brackets are tight and these are tight. If you're watching this on any R8 that I do, I flip the clamps over upside down. And the reason that I do that is because you can access it through this bottom hole. That way, for whatever reason, if you're wanting to get back in this area, you don't have to pull all the top stuff apart. So it makes it easy and convenient, just in case you're wondering. Alright, the R8 is officially back in one piece. I've got to torque the wheels, put the caps on, and get it off this lift. Got all the trim back in it. And then we'll have Trevor grab some fire shots and clips of all the exhaust. See that titanium shining through there, looking good. We will get this thing delivered. Another happy customer.